Okay, here we are. Saturday, I think. So, I've been culling some wires, some of the old factory stuff. Well, actually, it's new factory stuff, but stuff that I'm never going to use. I thought about keeping it, but then if I ever wanted to go back, the car's never going back, so I cut all that crap out. So I'm trying to tidy some of this up, even though a C3's engine compartment is inherently disorganized. All right, inside, pretty good. I got this half the dash in, really nice. My new piece I got from Contemporary Corvette. Plug. But this fit really nice. So the digital gauges are all installed. I got a new shift hand lever. I'm waiting for a handle. I know it's not kind of period correct, but I really like it. So everything's gonna fit now with the HVAC. So I'll probably tackle ducting that up today. Still waiting on the centerpiece for the console. Quick have been great with this whole rewiring project. Just getting the car up and down and being able to move it safely is a good thing. Got a new rear sway bar for the rear because there is none. I think this is what, 7/8 or something like that. It's the biggest one I could get for some reason without going with a shark bite. So other than that, yeah, just gonna keep jamming away on the car or cat. So yeah. Anyway, everybody be safe. Salud.